Today, I'm teaching you how to break into a bird feeder, like a pro. Always study the target first. Know your enemy, know your snacks. Okay. That was a warm-up. Gravity cheated. Pro tip, always bring your own ladder. Or borrow a rake. Okay, not gonna lie. Didn't factor in the physics. Smells like sadness and fiber. Let's do it anyway. Ah, yes, the fruits of my hard labor. Go ahead, help yourself to my greatness. Tutorial complete. Success is subjective? Next time, rating the BBQ grill. Smash that like button for more high-stakes trash drama.